guys, hello and welcome. So today I'm live with another video, a very useful video. So as you can see on my screen, there is Excel and we have tables in which I have column where it's store, date, sales, city, right? So this is my table. So let me just click on the table over here and let me just click on table design. As you can see, I can change the formatting of the tables like this. So what I gonna do today is simply summarize this table. So let's see. So we have dates, like on every day we have number of sales from different cities. First of all, I just uh, make sure that it needs to be in readable format, right? So as you can see, I simply give it the right format. So our video is about pivot table, right? To summarize data, right? So this is basically the purpose, pivot table to summarize data. So what I want to do, I want to see that how many sales have been done by city, by year, like we have the data of 2022. But if we have okay, or 5 days data, so let's start creating pivots. Let's go to the, let's like this. Okay, for applying the pivot you have to select all the columns or the whole worksheet and then go to insert and then go to pivot table, right? So here is, you can see the easily arrange and summarize complex data into a pivot table. The pivot table is very famous in Excel and it's very useful to quickly summarize data. So let's just click on it and it gives us 3 or 4 options, like where I want to pick the data from the table range from external data source. So I don't have any external data source, so I want to pick my data from this table range, right? Okay, so as you can see, selected the whole data range. Okay, okay, from here. And now it asks me where I want to summarize this data, new worksheet or existing worksheet. So I want this into existing worksheet. For example, you can say I want to pick it, summarize it over here. Let's click it. Now you can see it gives pivot table 1, right? So let's just click on it, and this is basically the whole format of pivot table, right? So as you can see, so I have 4 columns over here: filter, call, rows, values. So what I want to do, I want to select from here city into the rows, and I want to see the all sales of all the cities. So call sales is the numeric values I will put into summarize. Here you can see the summation sign or the sum of sales value, right? So now you can see I can easily from this table, I don't understand the Vancouver sales, how much, the Seoul sales, how much, the Tokyo sales, how much. But from here, if you want to, make it more readable, so yeah, so now you can understand that the New York, or you can also sort it. So I think so you can easily understand that the Vancouver has the highest sales. Okay, so but what I want to do, if I want to see the different store sales, like, so I can put it into the filters. For example, I just want to see store 1 sales. So this is just in Vancouver. if I want to see sales of store 11 and 1, Seoul or Vancouver. Okay, so let's just remove store from here. Oh, let's put store from column. Select all and okay. And now you can see all the stores sales according to their city. So this is basically the, you can see the store 1 sales 7,000 from Vancouver. Okay, so all the stores in different regions. So yeah, so this is how you can summarize. And you can just select like this from here. So this is basically the filter, and this is shows you the whole column. But if you don't want to see the whole columns data, you can just simply put enter from the filter pane, and from here you can select any one of. Okay, so let's see if I take, these are my dates. I don't want dates here. So yeah, so this is the sum of sales according to the cities. Thank you for watching.